Our company was founded on strong core values and work ethic. For the past 46 years, we have continued to build on that legacy. If you think about it, there's only one thing that makes companies different, and that's their people. Other companies buy the same equipment, parts, and supplies, but what sets us apart is our team, and we're thankful for them. Over our history, we've been blessed to have hard-working and dedicated team members that believe in us. Not only are we a family business, we live in the community we serve, so it's important that we deliver a great customer experience. It's a great feeling when somebody stops you at a restaurant or a ball game and says, "You guys take care of our systems and do a great job." My father's name, my brother's name, and sister's name, my children's name are on every truck and on every job, so it's important that we live up to the core values we were founded on. Our goal is to be Georgia's premier heating and air company in the eyes of our customers, our community, and our team members. We're dedicated to provide honest, professional, and respectful service that enhances the comfort of our customers. We do not want to be the biggest, we just want to be the best. We understand you have many choices in the market today. We thank you for giving us the opportunity to earn your business and the support for the past 46 years.